Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So hari ini kami akan membentangkan PSPD Problem-Based Learning 2. So kat sini ada dua soalan which is soalan question 1 is pasal compiler C++ and the question 2 is soalan coding tukar kepada flowchart.
F1169. So today I'll be walking you through a simple C++ program that calculates the total cost of an item based on user inputs. This program incorporates variables, user input, arithmetic operations, and formatted output to achieve its goal. Let's break it down step by step. So first we include the IO string library at the top of the program. This allows us to use the standard input and output functions for interacting with the user. The program starts with the main function, which is the entry point of every C++ program. Inside the function, we declare all the necessary variables that will hold the user inputs and intermediate calculation. We declare 4 variables using the double data type. These variables are original price to store the item price before any discounts or taxes. The second one will be discount rate to store the percentage discount, tax rate to store the percentage of the sales tax, and also shipping fee to store the shipping cost of the item. These variables allow us to store decimal values for more precise calculations. Next, we prompt the user to enter the required inputs, which is the total price of the item, the discount rate as a percentage, the sales tax rate as a percentage, and also the shipping fee. This is done using the standard output for the prompt and the standard input to capture the user input. For example, the CDC out enter the original price of the item, and also the input is original price. Now let's move on to the calculation. This is the core of the program. The first one will be calculate the discount amount. Discount amount equals to discount rate divided by 100, and the answer you have to times with the original price. So the discount is calculated as a percentage of the original price. Next will be the discounted price. To calculate the discounted price, we have to minus the original price with the discount amount. This subtract the discount from the original price. The third one will be the tax amount. So tax amount equals to tax rate divided by 100, and the answer you have to times with the discounted price. So the tax is basically calculated based on the discounted price, not the original price. And the last one will be the total cost equals to discounted price plus tax amount plus with shipping fee. This adds up the discounted price, tax, and shipping fee to give the final total. The program then displays the result to the user using standard output, and the outputs is the discount amount, the tax amount, the shipping fee, and the final total cost. So as we can see here, standard output is total cost Rm and total cost standard. And this prints the final total cost prefixed by the text total cost Rm. Each value is displayed on a new line for clarity. Finally, the program ends with return 0, indicating successful termination. To summarize, this program uses basic input and output functionality, arithmetic operations to compute the discount, tax, and total cost. And also, the last one will be organized tabs to ensure the output is easy to understand. This is a practical example of how programming can be used for everyday calculations. So that's all from me for my part. And another teammate of mine will continue with the output section.
Hi guys, my name is Safia Akila binti Muhammad Fazil. My matrix number is 01DIT24F1229. So now I am going to take part in explaining the output. So for the output, let's say the original price of the item is Rm300 ringgit. Then enter the original price of the item, which is Rm300 ringgit, and enter the discount rate given by the store. Let's say the discount is 10%. Okay, so then we enter the sales rate, tax rate, which is standard 6% for every supply store. After that, we enter the shipping fee, which is standard Rm5 ringgit for all Semenanjung Malaysia. So the discount amount will be Rm30 ringgit after we've run it through the program. The tax amount will be Rm16 ringgit 20 cent. The shipping fee is Rm5. The total cost will be RM 291 ringgit 20 cents. So the program finished with exit code 0, meaning that the program has run successfully. Press enter to exit the console means that you can press enter and to put another price. And I will continue the presentation to my teammates.
Hai, nama saya Sarah binti Omalizal and nombor metrik 01 DIT24F 1155. So, saya akan explain pasal question 2 and question 2 dia kata draw a setup of flowchart to represent the coding process shown in figure 1. So, maksudnya coding tu tukar kepada flowchart. So, saya akan bagi tahu step-step nak buat flowchart. So, first, we start dengan start node and then input score. The user is prompted to input a score between 0 and 100. And then check score range 90 to 100. If the true, the grade is E and the process end, and if false, the flowchart move to the next step. If your score range 80 to 90, if true, the grade is B and the process end. If false, the flowchart move to the next step. And check score range 70 to 80. So if true, the grade is C and the process end, and if false, the flowchart move to the next step. So we check the score range 60 to 70. If true, the grade is D and the process end, and if false, the flowchart moves to the next step. Check score range 0 to 60. If the score is below 60, the grade is F and the process end. Invalid score, if the inputted score is not within the range 0 to 100, the flowchart display an error message instructing the user to enter a valid score. So we put also the flowchart conclude with the end note. So the flowchart provide a clear and concise way to determine the ledger grade based on a numerical score, ensuring efficient and accurate grading. That's all from us. Thank you.